The switch on your planer is a rocker type switch that interrupts both the hot and neutral power wires. It has a large actuator attached to it. The switch can wear over time and eventually fail. The actuator can also be accidentally broken off. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the switch from the planer. It's secured with 4 screws. Now I'll take note of the location of each wire and then go ahead and remove them. Now remove the switch from the switch plate. It's secured with these plastic locking tabs. I'll press them in as I push the switch out of the plate. Now I can begin installing the new switch. I want to align the eyelets on the actuator with the loop on the plate. And I'll just snap the switch into the plate. Now reinstall each of the switch wires, black on one side, white on the other. Now reinstall the cover plate and secure the switch back to the planer. That's all it takes to install a new switch on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.